Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circular saw safely and effectively. Before starting any project, prioritize safety. Always wear safety glasses and hearing protection to protect your eyes and ears. Make sure the blade guard moves freely. Remember to unplug the saw when changing blades or making any adjustments. Always keep your hands a safe distance from the spinning blade. Proper preparation is key for accurate cuts. First, choose the correct blade for your specific material, whether it is wood, metal, or plastic. Adjust the blade depth so it extends about 1/4 inch below the material you are cutting. Always secure your workpiece tightly with clamps to prevent any shifting. Finally, clearly mark your cut line for precision. When you are ready to cut, position the saw's base plate flat on your material. Before engaging the wood, let the saw reach its full operating speed. Guide the saw with a steady, consistent feed rate, allowing the blade to do the work. Support the piece you are cutting off to prevent it from falling and pinching the blade, which can cause kickback. For even greater accuracy, consider using a straight edge guide to ensure perfectly straight cuts every time. To prolong your saw's life, regularly clean sawdust from the motor vents, ensuring proper airflow. Store your blades correctly to maintain their sharpness and effectiveness. Also, periodically check and tighten all fasteners on your saw to keep it in top working condition for many projects to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.